Here are 30 important questions related to the fluidized bed dryer, FBD, used in the pharmaceutical industry, along with some details to help you prepare. Fluidized bed dryer, FBD. Questions. What is a fluidized bed dryer, FBD? Answer. A machine used to reduce the moisture content of pharmaceutical powders and granules by fluidizing them with hot air. What is the principle of FBD? Answer. FBD works on the principle of fluidization, where hot air is passed through the solid particles to lift and suspend them, causing efficient heat transfer. What are the main components of an FBD? Answer. Air distribution plate, blower, heater, filters, product container. How does the fluidization process work in an FBD? Answer. Hot air flows through the bed of particles at a velocity high enough to lift and suspend them, creating fluid-like behavior for drying. What materials are commonly dried using FBD? Answer. Powders, granules, and pellets in the pharmaceutical industry. What are the advantages of using an FBD? Answer. Fast drying, uniform heat transfer, low handling, and reduced energy consumption. What are the disadvantages of an FBD? Answer. Risk of particle attrition, possible over-drying, and dust generation. What is the role of the air distribution plate in FBD? Answer. It evenly distributes hot air to fluidize the particles effectively. What temperature range is used in FBD for drying? Answer. Generally between 40 degrees Celsius to 100 degrees Celsius, depending on the material. How is the drying process monitored in an FBD? Answer. By monitoring the inlet and outlet air temperatures and moisture content. What safety measures are followed while using FBD? Answer. Proper air filtration, explosion-proof design, grounding to avoid static charge, and regular maintenance. What is the drying time in a fluidized bed dryer? Answer. Drying time varies, typically ranging from 20 to 60 minutes. How does FBD prevent cross-contamination? Answer. Use of filters and maintaining a sealed environment. What is the purpose of filters in an FBD? Answer. To prevent the escape of fine particles during the drying process. How does particle size affect fluidization? Answer. Smaller particles fluidize more easily, while larger particles may require higher airflow. What is the role of a blower in FBD? Answer. It provides the necessary airflow to fluidize the particles. What kind of airflow is required for efficient drying in FBD? Answer. Controlled and uniform airflow to prevent particle agglomeration. What is the impact of humidity on the FBD drying process? Answer. High humidity can reduce drying efficiency and increase drying time. How is an FBD cleaned between batches? Answer. Through a cleaning in place, CIP, system, or manual disassembly. What are the types of fluidized beds used in FBD? Answer. Fixed bed and vibrating bed designs. How does FBD improve the efficiency of pharmaceutical manufacturing? Answer. By reducing drying times and ensuring consistent particle size distribution. What is the relationship between drying temperature and material degradation? Answer. Higher temperatures may cause thermal degradation of sensitive materials. What are the critical quality attributes, SCA, for products dried in FBD? Answer. Moisture content, particle size distribution, and bulk density. What is the role of a dehumidifier in an FBD system? Answer. It removes excess moisture from the air to improve drying efficiency. How can drying uniformity be achieved in an FBD? Answer. By ensuring proper fluidization and consistent airflow distribution. What industries, besides pharmaceuticals, use FBD technology? Answer. Food processing, chemicals, and agriculture. What factors affect the energy consumption of an FBD? Answer. Airflow rate, drying temperature, and moisture content of the material. What kind of heat sources are used in FBD? Answer. Electric heaters, gas burners, or steam-based systems. What is the difference between FBD and tray drying? Answer. FBD uses fluidization and hot air, while tray drying involves static drying on trays in heated chambers. What is the typical batch size for an FBD in the pharmaceutical industry? Answer. Batch sizes range from a few kilograms to several hundred kilograms.